In a matter of 6 days, the jute mills of Northbrook, Victoria, New Central, and Auckland in the Hooghly district of Bengal were abruptly shut down, citing low production and demand, leaving close to 10,000 workers unemployed. This was followed by months of protest that led to mob violence and lynching in the district.
में जूट मिल है जिसमें जो है ट्रेड यूनियन अधिकतर ट्रेड यूनियन जो है इसमें लाभ पहुंचाते हैं मालिक को। आज मालिकों को लाभ पहुंचाते पहुंचाते ये कंडीशन आ गया है कि मजदूरों का दिन रात शोषण होता चला जा रहा है और मजदूरों का मालिकों का इम्प्लीमेंट इतना बढ़ गया है। एक फैक्ट्री के अलावा 4 फैक्ट्री उनका खड़ा हो जा रहा है, लेकिन मजदूर जिस जगह पर खड़े थे आज से 10 बरस पहले और उनका निम्न और धीरे धीरे निम्न मतलब नीचे के स्तर में जा रहे हैं। मजदूर का
25 of India's 98 jute mills are closed, and another 24 are running at a hazardously low capacity. Once the single largest item of export and one of the largest employers in the country, the jute industry is at a critical juncture of the future of manufacturing in India. Along the river, there are many clusters of jute mills that are remnants of dying industrial cores. The industrial landscape that was conceived as a colonial apparatus of extraction is now crippled by a lack of innovation and renewal. The industrial landscape of jute occurred along the entire stretch of the river Hooghly as it passed through Kolkata. They are huge tracts of land that include mills, quarters, informal colonies, railway stations, jetties, and warehouses. This was conceived as the apparatus of exploitation of people and natural resources that in turn shaped the city through the influx of capital, migrants, communal divide, and culture. Kolkata served as the state of capitalist industry that extended from the sites of production in the hinterland, the sites of management in the business district in the heart of the city, the sites of transfer in the network of transport infrastructure that included railways and waterways, and the sites of manufacture in the jute mills, which were the point of convergence of this mechanism. The hinterlands of jute are sustained by the riverine topography of India. Presently, through recent government projects, the areas of jute cultivation has expanded into new investment districts that hold the promise for the future of industry.